What is up, guys? It's your girl Evanah, girls. What is up, guys? It's your girl Evanah here, back at it with another video for you guys. Finally, because I know it's been a hot minute since I have uploaded a video, and that's why I'm back. But I'm better. I am definitely better. I have videos ready for you guys in the future, in the next couple of weeks. And this time I really mean it, because I have been just having so many ideas, and I just want to show you guys. But I wanted to stop by I don't know. Okay, I just wanted to stop by and show you guys this exfoliating lip tutorial that I really hope you guys like, because I'm not gonna let y'all be crusty. That's why I am here to show you guys how you can get them soft lips, those kiss your mama on the cheek lips. I'm sorry, someone is outside mowing the lawn, so if you hear anything, that's what that is. But before we get into this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe to your girl's channel. Honey, you can't go wrong with honey, because it is so good for so many different things that we just had to put it into this lip scrub. Coconut oil, you need to look up the benefits on coconut oil. It is so moisturizing. This is why it's going to make our lip scrub the bomb. You're going to add your favorite lipstick to give it your pop of color, because you need that in your life. I use some cinnamon sugar as well to the mix, and it has a very great smell and taste if you want to go that way. And I also added my lipstick, which you also didn't see. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe to your girl's channel. See you guys next time.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.